Hey everyone, Mr. Bowtie here. Have you ever found something on the internet and say, hey, I want to save this right to my Google Drive, but when you open up your file explorer, you're like, oh, all I have is my C drive and my network drives. I want to save it right to my Google Drive. Let me show you how you do that. It's called Drive for Desktop. So first, we're going to open up Google Drive. We're going to click on the gear at the top right-hand corner. Second one down, Get Drive for Desktop. Then you'll see a nice blue button to download Drive for Desktop. Give it a click. And I'm going to save it right to my downloads folder. That works. Once it downloads, I can just click on our little arrow down. There it is. And I'm just going to open it up, make sure I get the right file. Yep, that's the one. Google Drive setup. Double click to get that started. And here, if you want to add a little app or shortcut to your desktop, you can. If you want shortcuts for docs, sheets, and slides on your desktop, you can leave that check. I'm going to uncheck it because I don't need that. And just click install. Give that just a few seconds to do its thing. Perfect. And click launch. Nice. All right, here we go. Let's get started. I'm going to sign in. And because I'm signed in and synced with, I'm signed in and my sync is on. There it is. I just go to my Nebo account, click on sign in again, and it should log me in just fine. There it is. Done. Perfect. Close that up now. So before I do anything next, I want to do this. I want to come down to the little caret. There it is. It's now ready to go. So click on my little caret. You'll see our little Google Drive symbol. There it is, nice and colorful. Just took a second to install. Right click on the gear again, and click on Preferences. From here, I'm going to open up again the gear and my drive letter. This is probably going to be your installed, probably get letter G or something different like that. I changed mine to letter Z. Why? Because our other network drives, when I open up my file explorer, you'll notice that I have a C, F, G, S. We don't want to use those same letters. So I just chose Z because it's one that Nebo does not use. But now that I've done that, letter Z, and click done. When I open up my file explorer, now you'll have an option as a drive. It's called Google Drive and the letter Z next to it. So how does this work? I find something awesome on the internet. Say, hey, I want to save this newsletter. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to save image as. Now, one of my options, instead of just downloads, I can come down. I'll see here it is, Google Drive. If you can't find it there, come down to this PC and click that little caret to expand. And at the bottom, because it's letter Z, will be at the bottom. Google Drive is right there. I click on Google Drive. Now here's my drive and shared drives. I can open up my drive or go to a shared drive. And then I can find, hey, where do I want to save this? I'm going to come down to my sandbox folder, give it a double click. So I put it inside. And then I'm going to call this newsletter and go. Perfect. Now when I open up that drive, here's my sandbox. Let's come down. And oh, there it is, just popped up, newsletter. Double click that PNG, there it is, and it went right to my Google Drive. How awesome is that? Yep, you're done. When you're done, you're done.